For nearly 125 years, the Exchange has stood by our nation's warfighters in the most difficult circumstances. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the Exchange remains dedicated to providing a safe, secure, and sanitized environment for our customers, not only in our stores, but in our services locations as well. Stringent cleaning and sanitizing practices have been put in place to ensure that customers are safe and comfortable. The Exchange has implemented several policies across the board at services locations to ensure a safe environment.
We've reduced operating hours, practiced sanitation. So we have an SOP for all of the facilities that are open and what procedures they're following.
In addition to what Ms. Jeannie mentioned, we also have included operating procedures such as limiting it to 5 patrons per 1,000 square feet and mandating a cloth-based covering in all of the facilities that are Exchange.
At Fort Hood, a public health training initiative was created for barbershops to give associates a better understanding of how communicable diseases cause infection and to control infection. Preventive medicine specialist Sergeant Natalie Seals was instrumental in developing the training program.
Training I developed is very basic, and I don't mean basic in terms of it doesn't lack substance. It's basic to people who have never had a really good understanding of communicable disease. The associates were welcoming. It was different, but the one thing we did to make them feel comfortable was explain that we weren't there to tell them about their skill. That was not our job. Our job was to educate them about the coronavirus and about how they could lessen or mitigate the opportunity for the spread of the virus within the barbershops and salons.
As part of the training program in barbershops, chairs are placed at least 6 feet apart to practice physical distancing. Customers are asked to hold face coverings in place during the haircut. The training program also offers detailed methods of cleaning and disinfecting instruments and tools. Every 30 minutes or after every customer, chairs are sprayed and wiped, and all contact surfaces are wiped down. And of course, hand washing before and after each customer is essential. Besides barbershops and salons, other services have instituted sanitation and safety guidelines for their customers. At Vista Optical, a temperature check is performed on every customer who enters. A plastic tray is used for customers to place any glasses they've tried on. Equipment is wiped down before and after each use, and associates wear a face shield when testing the customer's vision. And after every transaction, associates wipe down surfaces, chairs, credit card machines, and pens. Associates at Barber Durable Medical Equipment sanitize the counter after each customer. The credit card machine and receipt printer are also cleaned, and instruments can be placed in a UV machine for additional sanitation. U.S. Cryotherapy also follows sanitizing guidelines for their customers. Tables and instruments are wiped down after each client, as is exercise equipment. Customer reaction to the new guidelines has been positive.
They like to go into the facilities and see the practices that they're doing, whether it be wiping down the counters every 30 minutes or after each customer, whether it be wiping down their pens, just the overall steps that we've been taking to, keep everybody safe. We've never seen anything like it. We're learning as we go. We're creating standards and implementing, procedures throughout the installations.
Well, we actually keep all of the standard operating procedures for each individual business on hand. So, God forbid this were to reoccur or something similar were to happen, we have a baseline to sort of go off of for any future things that we may have to create or instill.
Protecting the force is the Exchange's top priority. Preventive measures and routine cleansing and disinfecting have always been part of the Exchange's commitment to maintaining clean, safe, and sanitized stores, malls, and restaurants. As COVID-19 continues to create uncertainty, the Exchange remains committed to supporting soldiers, airmen, and military families.